And welcome guys, finally the reveal of the MX5.
It's looking good.
Yeah.
Very
if you wonder why it took so long, check out our last vlog. We basically find out or watch an upcoming episode as well about the MX5 blanking plate.
Yes, yeah. Couldn't remember which one's been released.
Yeah. Basically we had to redo the Tombstone, so
yeah.
That's why it took us a bit of time. But yeah, no, I think pleased with the result.
Yeah, it looks really cool. Very, very cool.
Yeah, and yeah, let's go a bit
have a look.
Yeah, over the details and stuff like that. Obviously, at the moment it looks very cool because we're still working on it, but it's not why we're here for. Cover. So that was our original cover, which was had a massive crack here, and then it was like split into 4 parts. So here there was actually, you can see it a little bit actually in the paint. You've got like a black line, a darker line going across.
I can't even see it really from here.
And that's basically where the repair was.
If you didn't already know about it, I don't think you'd see it.
No, with the effect on everything, it just looked like pretty big on, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So after we've got this as well, it was done darker on more of a patina, so it's a bit more discreet. That's essentially in that's pretty much a point of view of what it will be like as a driver. Those little buttons have been kept in the same color, but they actually got little like sparkling bit on it, just like the vents, which are still fully functional. They're still black on the side. Didn't remove it all, but looks pretty good. A new heater plate. There's just a wrap that normally came all black. Maybe not the most appropriate.
That's great.
But you need to be 18 to drive a car anyway, so.
Yeah.
And yeah, that was just like a bit in the same spirit as that. As you can see, it's kind of a gradient and then some splatter. That's still the old one. We haven't customized that because we are basically going to transfer that to a manual, and we had a subscriber that actually want this bit for his automatic car, so yeah, didn't want to change it at all if you are going to give it away, otherwise they will have to like bring it back to stock and stuff like that. A little Punisher guy. It was done with a 3D printed Punisher stencil. Still fully functional, obviously. Inside is still haven't done anything really. This is a bit blue. The back is just plain and dirty, I guess. Let's close this. Electric button, and then a tray converted into a little box.
It's a little smuggling compartment.
That's right. And obviously, if it's the first video you see around this and you want to see the process, there is a couple of videos we will put in the description where basically all of the work for this is done, apart from like little bits and pieces. But yeah, what do you reckon?
I'm really impressed. I think it looks awesome. Can't wait to actually get it out on the road and start driving it. Again, if you've seen the other videos, Gilles did a fantastic job with doing some repair work down here.
Yeah, you couldn't tell the screws were actually went through on you.
Yeah.
After it does make, especially when you look on this side, it does make the rest of the dash a bit blend.
Yeah.
But don't you worry, we are not going to keep it like that.
Well, we got plans.
No, probably either put some accent on those little guys, retrim this into something a bit sexier, and then maybe do like a dual thing. Here maybe do that you know, that matte stuff that is powdery like they do in a race car.
Oh yeah.
So
yeah.
you don't get any reflection.
Yeah.
Mind you,
Right.
you're still going to get tons of reflection from the blue.
Yeah, true.
But yeah, I don't know, you know, something a bit sexier. At least this bit here, definitely need, because see, this looks a bit, I mean, still look okay, if you know what I mean, but you know, it's definitely,
It could do with a bit of spicing up.
yeah, you know, now we've funked that up a bit. Kind of feel like the rest need to be funked up as well. If you have any suggestion, let us know. This is not the same, you know, this is kind of like, this is more something we'll have to cover with fabric. I think this is plastic but covered with something else as well. So this eventually we could customize the same spirit as that. This will probably have to go with something fabric based.
Yeah. But yeah, very cool anyway. Looks great.
Yeah, no, I think it works quite well, even with, no, with the paint of the car as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Even though they were not colors picked specifically to kind of like match.
Yeah, we just need some warm weather to actually drive around in with the top down.
Yeah.
There you go, guys. Drop us a comment, tell us what you think, and if you've got any suggestions as well, yeah, leave a comment. Obviously, we're going to do some stuff with the dashboard and a few other little bits to tidy up. But
yeah, no. So if you've got any suggestion or where it's a good place to get fabric for dashboard as well, I guess.
Yeah.
You know, doesn't have to necessarily still be in the blue.
No,
I don't know. I guess you know, still have some contrast, but yeah, now the black. Yeah, it's just, I don't know.
Yeah.
Need a bit more funk into it, you know, and let us know whether you like it or not, you know. Maybe you hate it, but if you hate it, you know,
fair enough.
just be glad it's not your car, isn't it? Yeah. And, you know, we sort of like it, yeah, so, well, we like it, not sort of, I don't know why I said sort of there, but, you know.
That's cool, we do like it.
Yeah, obviously if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, tons of stuff going on there, and tons of other customization in the same type of spirit, you know, like painting plastics on other bits and bob. This is definitely going to get coolant expansion tank. I'm going to grab that at some point and do that as well on the water bottle tank as well, like I've done on my S3.
Yes, yeah.
Long term, you probably want some like Dave Fab fancy stuff in there.
Yeah, definitely.
But you know, there is no rush for that.
No.
You can still make it the engine bay look a bit sexier without spending tons of cash, because it's best to spend the cash on, you know, getting the engine ready.
Yeah, actually.
Eventually turbo it, doing the manual swap. You know, manual swap, you are still not 100% confident about going at it yourself, so
that's a massive job, I think.
Yeah, we might, you know, hey, if you've got the skill to do that job and you like to do a collab on it,
yeah, give us a shout.
quite happy to pay for your time too, if you've got the skills, and you know, we can bring the car to you if you're a bit far, but yeah, because otherwise we'll probably just end up paying somebody we don't know. So if you're a mechanic, you've got a channel and you could do this at a fair price. I think we've got pretty much everything apart from the frame.
Yeah.
The little frame, metal frame underneath. We don't have it for manual. But otherwise, we've got the pedal, we've got the gearbox, we've got the loom, we've got an aftermarket ECU ready to go. So yeah, I mean, you know, we should see.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, definitely, if you want to give us a hand, we'll welcome it big time, and quite happy to have like a massive logo or stuff like that on the car as well, to kind of, for you to take credit and get a bit of advertisement for it. So
yeah, definitely give us a shout.
Yeah,
that'd be good.
And yeah, that's pretty much it for that one, you know. We need to crack on with other shit, so
yeah, got a few things lined up for today,
so we better get to it. Anyway, guys, see you in the next one.
Bye bye.